My name is Vera Richardson, and I am still riding with Biden. And AOC is still riding with Bernie Sanders, Nina Turner, the squad, and anyone else with these unrealistic, pie in the sky demands when Black lives and Hispanic lives and democracy is on the ballot, was on the ballot in 2022. And instead of her doing everything that she could do to help the Democrats keep the majority in the House, she didn't. And now her first demand, after Trump has announced that he still is on the scene, still running, is still a threat to American democracy and especially African American lives, she is peddling a letter to address illegals or people who committed crimes in this country that were deported. It's not about you, AOC. And I used to believe in you because I thought you could be president, but you can't. You can't. You can't see the forest for the trees, or you're so self-centered on yourself. And that's the reason you in the past, at the end of 20 during this election cycle, was running to every chance you got to get a chance to get to be in a national spotlight. You chose it, but you didn't go down to Texas to help Beto and to get Hispanic registered for Democrats so that we couldn't possibly have won some seats in Texas. And I hope that whoever is the minority leader for the Democrats in the House now, that they do not put AOC on any committees. Nancy was good to you, and the way you showed your loyalty was not to show it. Thanks.